In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a ledger in Zoho Books. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you have a clear understanding of how to effectively export your general ledger. Whether you're handling this for personal records or business purposes, these instructions will make the task straightforward and manageable. Let's begin by accessing the Reports module in Zoho Books. When you're logged into your Zoho Books account, you'll notice a variety of options on the left sidebar. One of these options is labeled Reports. Go ahead and click on it. The Reports section is your go-to spot for generating different kinds of financial documents. It offers a comprehensive view of your financial health, providing you with invaluable insights. Now that you've accessed the Reports module, the next step is to find and select the General Ledger report. Within the Reports section, you'll see various categories. Look for the one that's named Accountant. This category houses specialized reports that are particularly useful for detailed financial tracking. Under this category, you'll find the General Ledger Report option. Clicking on this report will allow you to navigate further into creating the specific report you need. Once you've clicked on the General Ledger, it's time to set the desired date range for your report. This is crucial for tailoring the report to your needs, especially if you are analyzing transactions for a specific period. You can select a custom date range or use the predefined options that Zoho Books offers, such as this month, last month, or a fiscal year setup. Choosing the correct date range ensures that the report encompasses all the relevant transactions. After setting the date range, it's time to generate the report. To do this, you'll notice a button labeled Run Report. Clicking on this button will prompt Zoho Books to compile all the necessary data for the chosen period into a comprehensive general ledger. This generated report will provide you with a detailed listing of all your financial transactions, helping you maintain a clearer picture of your financial activities. Now that your report is generated, it's time for the final and perhaps most critical step: exporting the report. You'll find an Export drop-down menu, which you should click on. From here, you can choose your preferred file format for saving the document. Zoho Books offers a few options, including CSV, XLS, or XLSX, allowing you flexibility depending on how you plan to use the data. Choose the format that suits your needs best. Click to export, and your ledger will be downloaded to your device. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated Zoho Books to download your general ledger. Remember, having a clear and accurate ledger is fundamental to effective financial management, so it's wonderful to see you taking these steps to secure and analyze your financial data. I hope you found this guide easy to follow, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for tuning in, and happy bookkeeping!